Okay. Hi everyone. Hello, Professor, and welcome today. My team, I'll be walking you through this Flash web application that's perform a relative grading system. By the end of this short explanation, you will understand how the code is struck and how it's process the CSV file and how it generates both tabular data and grade distribution chart. Firstly, we go to the overview of the project. First, let's take a look at the overall setting up here. We have a Flash application. In Python, I import Flash application that serve a simple web page where we can upload the CSV file and the CSV file is expected to have a two column name and score, and when the user upload the file, like the server here like this, and the server will process it and calculate the grade for each student and return the result along with a plot of the grade distribution, and the client then display this data in the chart on the web page. I will show you. Like when I run the Python code, I go to Edge and I open this, and you see here this user interface look like. I'm going to choose a file here, and I will pick to the file that I use here. It will calculate the grade automatically and export the chart so you can know how many students got an A grade, B grade, C grade, and then B, and then how many students failed the exam. The class. And okay, so we will start by setting up some basic configuration. Like upload folder, and I've config here. I got some code statement here for the upload session, so we can ensure that this folder exists for saving upload file. Like Flash configuration tell us where to store the upload file temporarily. And next, there's hyper function called calculate grade score, and this use numpy and to find the mean and standard deviation for all student score, and based on how far the score is from the mean in terms of standard deviation, each student is assigned a letter grade from A to F. Like for example, a student get an A if their score is more than 1.5 standard deviation above the student got an A if their score is more than 1.5 standard deviation above the mean, and B if at least 0.5 above, and so on. And for next function is the generate graph plots that I think this is really good, and I just learned it from the big data list from Nahim professor, and I think it's good, and it can help us to draw a chart and know how many students failed the class or how many students got an A mark. And in this function, I use pandas and matplotlib to count how many students got each letter grade, and then plot a chart. And the next the main road and the upload grade. Like we have two main parts on the server side. One is app row, like the code here. This row will return an HTML template and call the index HTML, like this HTML code block. And the second row is for upload grade with the method is post. And this is where file get processed when the user selects a CSV file and click upload, then the file is sent here. Like we check if a file were actually sent here. we check the file if the file was actually changed, and we save the file to a upload folder with secure file name, and we read the CSV file with pandas read to and set it to write a chart and bring out the content. Then we verify that the service has name and score column, and we generate a unique student ID for each row, like S001, S002, blah blah blah, and we can call the calculate rate and store the result in the new column named grade here. And finally, we create a grade distribution plot with the function that I just talked about, and the application is returned to the JSON to the client, which include both the list of students and the chart data. Now we go to the front end HTML and JavaScript part, and in this file we have a simple form like a plot form here. Like when the form is submitted inside JavaScript fetch call, send the selected file to upload crate. Upon success to the server, return JSON containing a messages like crate post successfully, crate post successfully, and the crate of student like data includes student ID, name, and score, and page 64 string for the grade distribution chart, and the script then automatically create a table in HTML to show the student detail and insert the image tag with the page 64 data to display the plot. And so let's quick look at how this generative grading system works in Flash, and we take advantage of Python library like NumPy for statistics, pandas for data handling, and Matplotlib for plotting to process the data and generate visually informative plots. Finally, we serve everything back to the browser, which neatly display for the computer grades and the chart. So in this project, I just use like I think all this is very simple. Like this one is very simple JavaScript. Let's just get Flash and insert the data in the JSON file. And about the Python code here, I think like the Flash function is really new if you just know Python. But about the calculate grade means and the plot section, like we just study everything when we go to the third grade, and so on. Thank you for your watching. If you have any question, oh no, sorry, because this video is for the explanation about our code. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.